Hi friends, today we are going to learn about birds. Oh, but where are the birds? Let's go, I will show you. Meet my birds, Sky and Kiwi. She is a female and he is a male. They are parakeets and they are climbing birds. Let's see how we perch on my finger. Let's open the cage. Come. See, he's perching. They have 2 front toes and 2 backwards. These toes help them to climb branches. Examples of climbing birds are parrot, parakeet and woodpecker. Some birds have 3 toes forward and 1 toe backward. They are called perching birds. Some examples of perching birds are pigeon, sparrow and crow. Birds scratch in mud to find insects. They are scratching birds and they have sharp toes. Some examples of scratching birds are hen, pheasant and turkey. Some birds walk in water. They have widely spread feet. Also called wading birds like heron, flamingo and crane. Birds like to swim in water. They have webbed feet. Examples of swimming birds are duck, swan and goose. Some birds have very sharp talons with which they can tear flesh. Examples of flesh-eating birds are eagle, vulture and owl. Now let us see beaks and food habits. They also eat seeds and they are also seed-eating birds. Let us look more seed-eating birds. Some more seed-eating birds are pigeon, sparrow and finch. My little pets like to eat green twigs. But some birds love eating fruits. Examples of fruit-eating birds are robin and toucan. Some birds have long and tube-like beak to suck nectar from flower. Examples of nectar-feeding birds are sunbird, hummingbird. Some birds have long and spear beak to catch fish. Examples of fish-eating birds are kingfisher, crane. Some birds have hooked beak to tear flesh. Examples of flesh-eating birds are eagle, vulture and owl. Birds are a very important part of nature, so we should always protect them.